Going to cut across to 2021, the year when India witnessed one of the deadliest COVID waves and a second lockdown. Social engagements went for a complete toss. What really followed was revenge fashion. Let's decode hot fashion trends in the year gone by while I come to the end of 5 Live.
2021 saw India coming off a deadly second wave and a second lockdown, as life limped back to normalcy again. Fashion was the revenge that got served quite hot. Bling saw a comeback in how? With bold silver and gold sequencing, these dresses sparkled through the parties and festivities. Glittery ensembles were perhaps the most revengeful, showing the world we are back to life.
In India, what you see outside colleges or whether it's on the streets or on the colleges, the youngsters are very in tune to the global trends.
When it comes to bling, I tell everybody, I don't think it ever goes. So I wouldn't really say comeback, but you feel it's a comeback because occasions have risen, because now we are allowed to go out. But I feel bling is something that never goes, especially when it comes to Indian wear. Now, but you want to talk about ready to wear? Yes, I feel there is a lot of bling when it comes to bomber jackets, or when it comes to denims. You find denims with bling on it.
The ramp walks were also flooded with a lot of oversized jackets and blazers and coats, making a bigger size a go-to this year. Was oversized the new fitted? From Karan Johar to Sonam Kapoor to international divas, this style had the stamp of approval from many influencers.
Basically, oversized jackets have become a favorite in every woman's wardrobe because it is so versatile. You can wear it for brunch, you can wear it in the evening, you can wear it like just casually for a meeting. And from your day look to the night look, you can basically, if it's a large oversized jacket and you're a small person, you can even belt it, put on heels and wear it. So it can become from like just street to like very classy with just a pair of pumps and a nice belt.
When it comes to oversized silhouettes, I really do feel that they're very predominant in 2021. But 2021 is not where it all started. I think it started sometime in 2018 onwards, or definitely 2019 onwards. If you really see, Balenciaga is the best example of super oversized jackets and track pants and shoes. Everything is oversized. Even your sweatshirts, your blazers, your track pants, even the shoes are oversized.
One thing that I would suggest to all the viewers is that when you're looking at oversized fashion, keep in mind to have either one of the ensembles fitted. When you're going for an oversized blazer, opt for a bottom which is well fitted, and vice versa.
Boyfriend denims. They never really go out of style, but get replaced by new cuts and trends, putting them in the back burner. But this year, they were out of the closet and comfort married style with these loose-fitted jeans and trousers.
Low-waisted denims, we had the boyfriend jeans, we had the oversized blazers, we had corsets, we had the flared pants, and also as an accessory, the headscarves.
You will find boyfriend jeans coming back into the trends because the whole retro feel, the 80s feel, the high-waisted, either they are pleated or then they are, again, boyfriend jeans. Basically, they're very loose and straight fits. It's a complete, I will say, like a revolt against the skinny jean trends, which is a very new millennium kind of symbol.
And work from home also had a new corporate leisurely look take precedence. From comfort trousers to sharp tops, the stylish sneakers stood out and caught our attention. Even luxury brands saw quite the sneaker onslaught this year.
What I've noticed from work on home trends is I think they're running out of joggers and they're running out of like sweats because that's all everyone's been wearing. like joggers, tees, and like, coordinated sweatpants. So basically now they've come up with a whole collection of that globally, of like, now people are wearing like sweatpants out at night with pumps. So, it's the stay at home and also now to go out trend.
Lastly, we cannot leave you without a mention of the masks and the role they had to play in the ensemble. We paid attention to masks just like how we pay attention to how we pair our shoes or our accessories.
So when it comes to matching masks, I think it's a pretty cool trend because it kind of shows that you've taken fashion seriously along with the pandemic. When you match your mask, it also means that you are, you've accepted that unfortunately COVID is here to stay and you're adopting your lifestyle according to that.
Whether bling stays with us or not, whether boyfriend jeans find themselves on the bottom of the pile again, and oversized blazers find themselves passé in the year going forward, the matching masks are here to stay even through 2022. In New Delhi, Chaiti Narula for India Today.